back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little haul. Well, it's actually a quick haul, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from my Boxy charms for the month of February. I actually just got this today, so I was just like, let me do a quick haul for you guys. If you guys don't know, Boxy Charms is a monthly subscription. They send you 5 full products. And to be honest with you guys, if you guys are trying to want to try like new products and stuff like that, or if you guys trying to like, you know, have more variety of makeup, it's really worth it to get it. But yeah, there's actually like different subscription. The one that I got is actually for 6 months, and I paid about like $100 something, which is not bad, because for the price of all of these products that they send you is literally less than what you're paying like monthly, or like whatever subscription that you guys are going to pick. But basically they are $25 a month, which is, I don't think it's not bad at all, because like I said, some of the stuff that they send you is literally ridiculously expensive. It's like I would never ever buy for myself. By the way, you guys, I just finished filming. Yeah, I don't know if this makeup look is gonna go up first or this haul, I don't know, but yeah, if it does comes up before this, please check it out. I just did the Lisa Frank palette, and I did the pink edition because Valentine's Day is coming up, or by the time you guys will see this, it's already passed, I don't know. So anyways, let me unbox this. Let me stop talking and actually unbox this. By the way, y'all, my shirt says make money not friends. If you guys are interested with that shirt, I will put the website below. You guys should support. It's a Black owned small business. If you guys are interested, like I said, I'm gonna put the link down below. And right now he's actually having a sale for them, so yeah, you guys should check it out. All right, so this is the card for the month of February. Obviously it's Valentine's Day, and the box looks like this when I open them. Seems like I got a new palette again. All right, so the first thing that I got is called Ace Beauty, and it's like, yeah, Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. The Nostalgia Palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully modeled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. So these palettes are retail for $38.99. To be honest with you, I never heard of Ace Beauty. The Ace Beauty, the only thing I know is Ace Family, you know, like those vloggers. But obviously I'm pretty sure this is not their product. Oh my god, I can't open it. I hate doing this because I could never open them, especially having nails, y'all. Oh, I can't get it out. I don't want to break the box, because what if I don't want to keep it? Alright, whatever. I broke the box, so. Oh, and I just broke it. Oh my god. Are you gonna? Okay. There you go. Alright, so the front of the palette. Ooh, this is very, 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 very colorful palette. Definitely remind me of the Lisa Frank palette. So this is how the palette looks like. I would love to test it out, but I don't want to put my hands on it because I am not sure if I would love to keep this. Yeah, I'm actually not gonna test it out because like I said, I'm not sure if I want to keep it. I don't want to put my germs on it, but they're so pretty. It's definitely something I would never wear. Like as y'all can see, like right now I'm just using it. I'm just using bright colors in my eyes because I'm doing like I'm trying to use every color on the Lisa Frank palette. So this hiking though, this is something I would use. Yeah, I don't know about the yellow ones. I don't know about the yellow ones. I don't know about the orange ones. The purple, I might be able to work on it. Actually, I might be able to use this green one. It's called Theme Park. So yeah, if I ever use this palette, it'll probably be just one shade or two. Who knows? So yeah. All right, so the next one, let me actually take this off. All right, so the next one, it's the Levito Age Away Hydrating Cream. This moisturizer is clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and improve skin texture. A high concentration of plant actives, including antioxidant rich sea buckthorn and evening primrose seed oil, also rich in fatty acids, promotes cellular regeneration to restore elasticity and firmness, and it's retail for $55. This is definitely something I wouldn't use, so I might actually give this to my mom because I don't have any wrinkles, and I try not to use like things like this until like I'm actually a little bit older. I mean, I'm almost 30, but obviously I don't have any problems with wrinkles yet and stuff like that, so definitely might give this to my mom. She will love it. She will use it. She's actually just started to get into like skincare lately, so yeah, I might actually give her that. All right, so Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. Get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tints blend effortlessly onto skin, while the clear shimmer free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. And these babies are retail for $22. So I'm thinking it's a lip balm, and you could use it for as a blush as well. Okay, why in the world? Okay. Oh, this is actually really cute. Okay, so it is a lip balm in the bottom, and then it's like a blush, like a cream blush, or you can also use it for your lips. I'll definitely keep this, keep it in my purse or something. Yep. All right, so then the top is called the Suit Talker, and then the bottom is called Swipe. So I'll definitely try that, and I'll definitely keep that. All right, so the next product, it is going to be the Handskins Hyaluron Skin Essence. You guys, these names, I need to like search before I start talking to y'all, because I be sounding dumb as hell sometimes. All right, so developed by the investors of K Beauty, so I'm guessing Korean barbecue. I mean, not Korean barbecue. Obviously, I'm thinking about food right now. Korean Beauty's first BB cream. What the fuck is wrong with me? This hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with sodium hyaluronate. I can't say that word. Hyaluronate, a powerful moisturizer capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This cushiony, non-sticky firmly instantly quenches and restore your skin natural glow. And this retail for $46. So what is this technically? So I'm guessing that this is some type of moisturizer, because it does says use after washing the face and tidying up skin texture. Dispense an appropriate amount onto your palm and gently apply on the face in the direction of skin texture. So another skincare. I love it. I love it. I'm not complaining at all. Like, y'all, like, I'm seriously been trying to, you know, work on my skin. Actually, it's a clear one and it's watery. So I don't think it's a moisturizer. But yeah, it just says 5-in-1 moisturizing, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing, skin softening, 11 free systems, 6 type of paraben, benzyl alcohol. Okay. I don't know about the alcohol part. Chlorpensin. I don't know what else do you say the other ones, but I'm gonna search on that alcohol. It says benzyl alcohol. I don't know if that's actually good for your skin. Anything alcohol, y'all, is not good for your skin, okay? Except, you know, if you guys don't know what it is, it's always good to search before you start using it to your face. So yeah, so moving on to the last one. It is the Saint Lux limited edition liner duo. This liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip to get plump, kissable look. And this retail for $40. Why would you put it taped up? Ooh. I like this color. It's like a... Oh no! It broke on me! No! Can I sharpen this? It broke on me. Wow. And there's no like the sharpener thingy majiggies. Oh my god, why? Alright, I'll figure out, because that color is like really like pretty, like a brown, like a really pretty brown color actually. Alright, this one is good. This one is also like brown color. I like that. Alright, that one I'm really bummed out. Can I sharpen these? Because there's no way that all of this, I'm pretty sure I can sharpen it, right? Right? Because it's not, I can't twist them. So I'm pretty sure I can sharpen it. I'll try to sharpen it. So yeah, that is all in my Boxy charms for the month of February. Definitely cannot wait to try them on. And I'm definitely going to search on the alcohol that's in this bottle, because I refuse to put it in my face, to put alcohol in my face, because alcohol are really bad for your face, okay? Alcohol is cool when you drink it, but not to put in your face, okay? That was corny. But anyways, I hope you guys like my little haul. And if you guys do like it, please hit the like button. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you guys haven't clicked the notification bell, please do, so you guys will know when I post a video. So yeah, I have nothing else to say except thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.